क्या कहना वाली लड़की,
मजबूर girl.
कह दो ना गर्ल।
Yeah, that line, it has a crazy recall.
क्या पढ़ा है आपने?
So I've studied jewelry and gems.
काम आप ब्यूटिशियन का कर रही हैं?
Yeah.
फिर आपने गाना शुरू किया?
I was in the beauty business for the past like 8-9 साल हो गए. I was very young.
सिंगर बनना ख्वाब था या जैसे आप अभी कह
No,
रही
no,
हैं कि
I never thought that I'd do it professionally.
What's love for you?
When you feel like home with someone.
मजबूर गर्ल जस्ट ब्लश्ड। यहाँ पे बहुत क्रिटिकल स्टेटमेंट्स भी आई थी, बैकलैश भी आया था। हाउ डिड इट इम्पैक्ट यू?
सिर्फ आपको गुस्सा इसी बात पे आता है कि you cannot control it. I suggest कि just don't open your Instagram for like a week and everything's fine.
It didn't take any mental health toll on you?
No, I'm very strong mentally. I don't really care.
Being raised by a single father, how does it impact you?
I think it puts a lot of responsibility on your head. Everything, smallest thing you have to do in your house, you have to be aware of it. Girls my age, they don't know the grocery thing.
Yeah. What are few green flags in men for you?
They should be very calm. Don't shout. The sense to differentiate in between relationships.
There's a lot of discussion about feminine energy and masculine energy.
When you're working, then you do get into your masculine energy. 2-3 years back, I was in my masculine energy. But now I'm not. Now I realize that कि आपको थोड़ा सा ना रहना चाहिए, अपने energy में रहना चाहिए या वापस आ जाना चाहिए.
Is it easy to find love when you are this
No, it's not.
ambitious? No.
What do you mean? It's not.
Men are scared.
No, they're not scared.
Or they cannot handle.
No, they cannot handle. They think they can. Things that come with it. Everyone likes to look at a beautiful flower भी बहुत प्यारा है, तो बस उसका ख्याल भी तो रखना ना, वरना वो खराब हो जाएगा भाई। सड़ जाएगा पौधा, उसको फिर क्या करेंगे?
तो अभी फ्यूचर के क्या प्लान्स हैं?
I've been doing a song of my own. I wrote it and I composed it. मैं शर्मा के कह दूंगी, मैंने भी कर दिया.
Hey guys, अस्सलाम वालेकुम. This is Rabia and you're watching me on Fisha Magazine. कुछ अरसे पहले ये गाना आया और वो गाना छा गया. It was crazy like how everyone started singing आपका ही कहना बनता, कह दो ना. और मजबूर से ज़्यादा ये लाइन मशहूर हो रही थी. गाने का नाम मजबूर था. है सॉरी. I guess आपको पता चल गया होगा मैं किसकी बात कर रही हूँ. So we have the lovely Zoha Wasim with us in studio. हमने सोचा उन्हें इनवाइट करते हैं, मालूम करते हैं उनका जर्नी कैसा था, कैसे उन्होंने गाना शुरू किया, यहाँ तक कैसे पहुँची और लाइफ कैसी है आफ्टर द सक्सेस ऑफ मजबूर. व्हाट आर हर फ्यूचर प्लान्स? कुछ और ज़िंदगी के बारे में उनसे बातें करेंगे, जानेंगे उनके बारे में. मैं भी उनके बारे में इतना नहीं जानती. आज आपके साथ साथ मैं भी उनके बारे में बहुत कुछ जानूंगी. अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
वालेकुम सलाम.
कैसी हैं आप?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you so much for taking out time on your trip to Karachi.
Thank you for having me.
पहले तो मुझे इतना मज़ा आ रहा है ना. I really want to appreciate the simplicity about you. I was like यार माशाल्लाह कुव्वत इल्ला बिल्ला, क्या कॉन्फिडेंस है. मैं
Are people like fancy on your show? They put on fancy clothes or something. If I knew that, तो मैं भी करके आती. Why not?
नहीं आप हमें ऐसे ही पसंद आ रही हैं और हम इसको अप्रिशिएट करें. नॉट दैट लोग बहुत फैंसी होके आते हैं. इनफैक्ट हमारे शो का पूरा जो फील वाइब है वो बड़ी नेचुरल है. सो आई ऑलवेज टेल पीपल कम however you like. And
that's what I thought.
जैसे आप बाहर जाएंगे ना तैयार होके किसी फ्रेंड से मिलने, तो बस उससे आ जाए.
मैंने आपका शो देखा है तो that's what I thought.
But आप एक लेवल ऊपर एक कॉन्फिडेंस से the way you I was like
अगर ये प्रोजेक्ट करे तो good.
नहीं बिल्कुल I am admiring it and I think बड़ा ज़रूरी है कि you know girls should be confident in who they are, how they are instead of using. उसमें भी कोई बुराई नहीं है. प्लीज़ आई एम नॉट टेकिंग अ जजमेंट कॉल कि आप इधर उधर की चीज़ें यूज़ करें अपने आप को प्रोजेक्ट करें. सो आई वांटेड टू अप्रिशिएट दैट. मुझे बड़ा
थैंक यू सो मच.
तो भाई क्या हाल है, कैसा फील हो रहा है? अब तो वो एक आके अब तो वो एक स्टेबिलिटी आ गई ना उसमें.
या नहीं, you just mentioned the thing about Majboor ke after the success of the song, it's been amazing. The response has been amazing. हमने इतने अच्छे projects अब collaborations वगैरह align किए हैं and there's so much coming out in the next few months, 3-4 months के I myself didn't think के you know you have some dream collaborations, some dream platforms कि मैं इनके साथ काम करूँ, इनके साथ गाने बनाएं, ऐसे करें, some very good producers. तो you just get approached by these people and you just can't believe it.
But आपने देखा है ना कि आपको क्या कहना वाली लड़की,
Yeah.
you know,
मजबूर girl.
कह दो मजबूर गर्ल और कह दो ना गर्ल.
Yeah.
तुम ही you have seen that you are
Yeah,
being
yeah, yeah.
called
That-
by these names.
That line is
हाँ.
like it has a crazy recall.
Seriously,
तो
you
वो
know?
लोगों के दिमाग में जो है ना
हाँ.
वो फंस गई है वो रिपीट. अब मेरे से कोई भी मिलता है ना,
हम्म.
it's very funny. अब yesterday I was at a shoot, so the makeup artist goes,
ये गाना मेरे ऊपर.
हाँ, कहता मेरे अब दिमाग में ही फंस गया, so I
हाँ.
cannot get it out of my head. मैंने कहा everyone is like
Yeah.
that. अभी आजकल मेरे से जो भी मिलता है वो मुझे यही कहता है.
सिर्फ ये नहीं, मुझे लगता है कि एक्टिंग भी बड़ी अच्छी थी. वो जो
Yeah,
आपने
I-
अदाएं दिखा
So
के बोला ना.
the
So-
director Murzi bhai
हाँ.
Murtaza, he was not sure. It was like my first video.
हम्म.
So everyone was very normal on the set, and they were, I could sense के उनको लग
Doubt
रहा है कि
कर
मैं
रहे
थोड़ी सी shy होंगी, camera shy वगैरह, but I'm not
जैसे
camera shy.
कैमरा
I don't have
so I was confused.
I don't have stage fright.
That's
I
so
don't
good.
have वो camera shy नहीं हूँ मैं. तो मुरजी भाई के wow one take.
That's
हाँ वो
super cool.
एक दो takes हो रहे थे और
Yeah.
उसमें I just love being in front of the camera. मतलब it's not के I hate it. Some people say that they hate it, but they
Yeah.
have to do it just
Yes.
because they're in this profession. या
True.
गाने शाने बनाते हैं, acting करते हैं. लेकिन no, I don't hate it.
So आप लाहौर से हैं.
Yeah.
ठीक है. क्या पढ़ा है आपने?
So I've studied jewelry and gems.
Oh wow.
Yeah, jewelry design.
कहाँ से ये भी सब्जेक्ट होता है लाहौर में
Yeah,
पढ़ाया
yeah.
जाता है?
There's a university called Pakistan Institute of Fashion Design.
Okay, please do not judge me. I'm sorry. लोग बोलेंगे राबिया किस बबल
No
में
one
रहती है?
expects me.
Maybe और कराची में भी होता हो भाई, होता होगा, मुझे नहीं पता.
नहीं लाहौर में they're just two,
Wow, this
three.
is so cool. I
Yeah.
think this would be so much fun to study. you know?
Yeah, I was always from arts, like
तो पढ़ा आपने क्या? जेम्स एंड
gems and jewelry. Yeah.
काम आप ब्यूटिशियन का कर रही हैं.
Yeah.
फिर आपने गाना शुरू किया, अब आप कॉन्सर्ट्स भी करी. ये
हाँ.
क्या zigzag चल रहा
So
है?
I was like working as a makeup artist, or I was in the beauty business for the past like अब तो 8-9 साल हो गए. I was very young.
खुद से शौक से शुरू
हाँ, I
किया.
started practicing it.
Uh-huh.
Music is something that I did not teach myself.
Hmm.
It's not a skill that I taught myself. लेकिन the makeup, artistry and everything I had to
Yeah.
teach myself. So I
Okay.
started practicing a long time ago and I just loved it. I still love it.
Okay.
Now I have a salon
Yeah.
in Lahore.
Okay.
After my graduation, I opened it because it was very hard to keep track of clients and my studies.
मतलब उससे पहले आप freelance
हाँ,
कर
उससे
रही
पहले
थी?
I was just
हाँ.
working like home based
ठीक
from
है.
my own
हाँ,
ease. वो होता है कि
appointment
मैं
based,
बस कर लूँ और my university was very close to my house. So since it was home based, तो मैं जल्दी clients और university handle कर लेती थी and I loved my degree. मेरे लिए वो बस ये था
Okay.
because it's very interesting. People don't know much about it, but jewelry, it's like a luxury thing. People just don't buy jewelry.
Yeah.
Like
true.
मैंने लेनी है.
नहीं.
If you have extra money, you want to spend, then you go get it. So yeah, it's very interesting and it's gems jewelry apart from the gold silver thing.
True.
Gems are very interesting to study. मैं किसी के पास देखती हूँ ना तो I just ask them कि ये कौन सा है, where did you get it from?
तो सब्जेक्ट्स क्या होते हैं इस
हमारे
degree में?
सब्जेक्ट्स जो है हमारी मेटलर्जी होती है जिसमें हमारे मेटल्स वगैरह का दैट्स अ थियरी एंड प्रैक्टिकल सब्जेक्ट. देन हैंड क्राफ्टिंग होती है. वी मेक ज्वेलरी इन द
Wow.
स्टूडियो.
कितना थेरेप्यूटिक होता होगा?
Yeah, it's actually very hardcore too क्योंकि वो you have to actually melt the silver or whatever you're working with, silver, copper, and you have to make things out of it, like
Yeah.
proper jewelry pieces, proper chains, proper earrings वगैरह. So we actually made pieces in our thesis,
Thesis में किया
like
होगा.
6 to 7 pieces. And it was so fun. फिर gem carving वगैरह भी होती है हमारी.
आपके भी आज जिससे मेरा बदला देना ये वो
Yeah,
है.
it
तो
actually
उसको-
messes up your hands and all, but it's very fun. हमारे पास we have really nice machines in our university and really nice faculty. और मुझे खुद को नहीं पता था when I got into foundation year, then I found out that there is this subject. I was
हाँ.
never interested in fashion. मतलब I can look at a cloth and tell कि हाँ ये अच्छा है या बुरा है, but designing it, no, I cannot do that. तो jewelry is something that like
और कितने साल का कोर्स है ये?
it's a 4 year
डिप्लोमा होता है सर्टिफिकेट
yeah,
या
yeah.
डिग्री?
degree proper degree.
ओके
yeah.
तो वो आपने किया और ग्रेजुएट करते ही साथ आपने सैलून अपना
Yeah,
खोल लिया।
I just opened up a
ठीक है,
salon.
एंड देन वो चल रहा था, साथ साथ आप अपने गाने भी गा रही थी जो मैं देख रही हूँ, लाइक लास्ट आई कैन रिकॉल इज लाइक इंस्टाग्राम पे अगर मैं देखूँ तो 2021 से
Yeah, I've been
Up
uploading
covers.
covers long time ago.
it was like covers by Zoha के नाम
Covers by
से, right?
Zoha, yeah. Then I
हाँ.
changed it because now,
changed it?
yeah, now I have to do original
Yeah,
and
of
my own
course.
songs.
हाँ.
So my management they suggested that you should like change your name, username to like
Yeah.
Zoha Wasim.
सही बात है। तो गाने का शौक शुरू से था, किससे इन्फ्लुएंस्ड हुई आप?
Gana to as you know early as I can remember कि जब आपको सेंस आना शुरू होती है थोड़ी सी तो you're very young.
Yeah.
I don't know, I'm just telling about myself.
हाँ, हम आपके बारे में ही जानना चाह रहे हैं।
मतलब वैसे ही जनरली मुझे लगता है आर्टिस्ट सबके साथ यही होता है कि they just don't wake up one day and decide कि हमने गाना गाना है या सीखना है.
Okay.
It's not something that you can teach yourself.
Yeah.
आप उसको बेहतर कर सकते हो like जो रियाज वगैरह होता है सारा कुछ. So I actually had very good teachers and some, but I never got the chance to
Learn from
train myself.
तो बस आप बचपन से गाती थी?
Yeah.
और फिर इंस्टाग्राम पे how did you decide कि मैं इसको इंस्टाग्राम पे डालना शुरू
So my friends, it's always the friends.
I know.
Yeah, they like pressure you कि नहीं तुमने करना ही करना है या डालो कुछ भी नहीं है वो होता, रिकॉर्ड करो और फिर बस अपलोड कर दो, सब सुनेंगे अच्छा लगेगा. So that's how it starts.
लेकिन जब डाला था तो जहन में ये था कि मैं सिंगिंग के प्रोफेशन को एज अ प्रोफेशन करूंगी या बस आपने फन में डाल दिया?
No, just I mean just for fun. Like you just keep putting stuff on Instagram.
तो फिर सिंगर बनना ख्वाब था या जैसे आप अभी कह रही हैं कि
No, I never thought that I'd do it professionally. But yeah, you just start getting attention of some people on a social media platform because there are a lot of people.
मैंने ये देखा है कि कॉन्सर्ट्स आपने मजबूर के बाद नहीं शुरू किए, आप पहले से कुछ इवेंट्स कर रही थी, राइट? इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, जो मैंने देखा थोड़ा बहुत.
I used to like sing ghazals and all.
Exactly.
Yeah, I was from that genre.
Yeah.
So I had this. I'm from Kinnaird. Like I did my college from Kinnaird. वहाँ पे I had this teacher. His name is Sir Abdul Rauf. So he was a music teacher, but since music was not my subject, someone got me to meet him. So he found out कि अच्छा ये गाती है और ये थोड़ी गज़लें वगैरह भी गा लेती है. So he took me to Alhambra. Alhambra was very exclusive at that time. It's like ये तो मैं बता रही हूँ when I was 18 back in college. So it's been a lot of years now. I'm 24, but तब फिर it was very exclusive and I didn't realize back then, but now I do कि not everyone was supposed to perform in Alhambra and that too on Madam Noor Jahan's tribute.
Yes.
No one was like allowed to do that. But मेरे सर जो थे वो मुझे करवाते थे परफॉर्म कि तुमने करना है, तुम्हारी आवाज़ अच्छी है और तुम सीखो इसको, like properly classical training तुम लो. So a lot of people now, like I just told you, I was at the shoot. So these new artists, they like come up to me and they say, "Oh, we just heard that you are classically trained." Just because they heard that मैं गज़ल वगैरह गाती थी, but no, I'm not. I just used to sing ghazals and all. So everyone thinks that I was classically trained, but I'm not.
तो फैमिली की सपोर्ट थी? Family had no objections क्योंकि आप जाके perform करी थी?
Yeah, they always loved it.
Okay.
Like they're very chill about it. My father loves to sing.
Oh, he loves to sing also?
Yeah, he loves to sing.
So do you sing with him?
No, I don't. He just, we just fight and argue a lot कि हमारे genes जो हैं इसलिए हैं कि because he sings. But yeah,
तो वो credit ले रहे हैं?
Yeah.
वो कह रहे मेरी वजह से तुम ऐसी हो. Good.
Yeah, he sings very nice.
So I feel you have a very like dostana relationship.
Yeah. So my mother, I was very young when she passed away, but she was the one who like identified कि ये गा सकती है. Like she used to, support me. तो competitions वगैरह होते थे ना बच्चे स्कूल में, मिली नगमा या नाच वगैरह competition, तो उसमें आप ना perform करो जाके. And she used to like make me do rehearsals like by myself, listen to the जो भी मिली नगमा मैंने गाना होता था, कि स्कूल में अब गानों के कंपटीशन तो नहीं होते, so these things she always used to like push me कि तुमने ये करना है.
Are you the only child?
No, I'm not. I'm the youngest. I have one sister and then a brother.
Okay, 3 बहन भाई.
Yeah.
तो वो मजाक उड़ाते हैं या वो सपोर्ट करते हैं या वो कहते रहते हैं?
नहीं, they support. They were from very different fields. Yeah, one's in business, in family business, his own, and my sister is now in event business, but she has a pharmacy.
So what did your father say जब मजबूर इतना hit हो गया and you became
You
this?
know, Abbajis are very chill and very distant.
उनको कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ा, मतलब बच्ची जो है वो फेवरेट हो गई है नेशन की. Everyone is going crazy.
No, Abbajis are very distant from these things. उनको social media वगैरह they don't look at it. वो तो उनको
तो उन्हें अभी तक hit नहीं किया कि what has happened.
नहीं, he does realize it now. अब तो खैर मजबूर was on its peak अभी last 2-3 months. So he did get to know about that. तो
मैं जानना चाहती हूँ क्या कहा उन्होंने, हक किया, प्यार किया, कोई इमोशनल जुमला आया या नहीं आया?
So yeah, नहीं, we are not like emotional, but we do know कि कौन क्या कर रहा है.
जैसे मेरे फादर है ना, तो वो ऐसे तो नहीं बोलेंगे, but you know every time he meet someone and so embarrassed, he will mention. अच्छा मुझे ये नहीं कहना चाहिए था, embarrassing, पापा को बुरा लगेगा, लेकिन like he will mention कि ये तो ये है, और फिर वो किस्सा सुनाएंगे कि हम वहाँ गए थे तो किसी ने पहचान लिया इसको, and I'm like don't mention. तो you know that's his way of appreciating my work. So does your father have something?
Yeah. That's exactly what I'm saying. It's not like very emotional talk in between. वो ऐसे ही होता है. We went on a trip very recently and to Hunzat's Kardu. वहाँ पे people like recognized me and they got pictures and all. अब usually when people get pictures with me, my father is not with me. So that was very very awkward. And he's just looking at me and people are saying हम आपसे picture लेंगे. Yeah. Then some of them are boys, young boys. So इस तरह फिर ना थोड़ा सा हम हंस भी रहे होते हैं आँखों में कि.
But I'm sure he must be feeling so proud to see you being appreciated.
Definitely.
तो कोई सिंगर्स हैं जिनसे, कैसे मैं बात कर रही हूँ, सिंगर्स हैं तो कोई सिंगर्स हैं जिनसे आप इन्फ्लुएंस्ड हैं, जिनसे आपको लगता है आपकी सिंगिंग बहुत ज़्यादा या इंस्पायर्ड हैं?
Yeah, definitely. When I started teaching myself कि अच्छा मैंने ऐसे गाना गाना है ये वो, I used to listen to Pakistani singers a lot. मैंने मतलब we didn't have cable वगैरह और ये no access.
तो आपने इंडियन बॉलीवुड
नहीं, no access to like Bollywood songs. Very limited. वो जो एक बड़ा mainstream वो सोनू निगम, श्रेया वाला एक era होता था, अरिजीत वाला, वो हमने सुना हुआ है. But not like
Kishore Kumar and
no,
Lata ji and all
never.
that.
I've never like listened to them, but I have listened to Madam Noor Jahan and Shafqat Amanat Ali Sajjad Ali and Ahmed Jahan Zeb. These were the people I like listened to when I was growing up. So I really really liked that genre. And that's very difficult.
I know.
That is very difficult. So maybe that's the reason. I don't know. I'm not sure. I got a very good grip on the classical thing before I got into this.
Yeah,
you know.
अच्छा मुझे बताइए, पहली बार जब स्टेज पे परफॉर्म किया आपने, जब छोटी थी, तब 18 साल की जब थी, तब कैसा फील हुआ?
I think for the first time I performed in a competition. It was in a
नहीं, मुझे अलहमरा का करना है.
अलहमरा
में तो बहुत छोटी होंगी.
हाँ. Like it was around the same time. In my college I started performing. I never used to perform in front of huge crowds. I performed in a competition in HSN College for the very first time. That was very
सारे बॉयज
होंगे. हाँ, एक तो थी लड़कियां, but they were just like in delegations ना.
फिर तो कितना प्रेशर होगा.
Exactly, and the final round was supposed to be in a huge auditorium. I didn't know they have a huge auditorium. और वहाँ पे people were so far कि मुझे सिर्फ lights नजर आ रही थी.
Oh God.
So it was huge and I didn't know कि मैंने क्या गाया क्या किया. Still won the competition.
माशाल्लाह.
Ali Sethi and Atif Aslam were supposed to judge it since it was HSN. So they called them to like judge the final.
तो उन्होंने जज किया आपको?
Yeah, and I didn't know that. I got to know it after I performed. So I was very nervous. वो मेरी पहली performance थी. I was very nervous. And Alhamra ones were fine because we used to rehearse a lot.
Okay.
Like
so उससे फर्क पड़ा आपको?
उससे फिर सारी mistakes, corrections वगैरह वो मुझे सर खुद ही करवा देते थे.
अच्छा ये बताएं, तो फिर जब मजबूर बहुत ज़्यादा पॉपुलर हो गया, वो टॉप पे जा रहा था, हर जगह मजबूर हो रहा था, उसके बाद जब आपने पहला कॉन्सर्ट किया, तब क्या प्रेशर था? तब हालत खराब हो रही थी, डर लग रहा था?
Yeah. So after Majboor, I did this show with Bayan. They were supposed to perform they had the main event, so I opened the event.
Okay.
And it was a dental conference in Expo Center Lahore. So yeah, I kind of felt ke in between ke yaar ab like my song is big now and people are expecting me to be on stage with a presence. And I need to sing my song too now. So that's another thing कि अब आपको अपना गाना उसी confidence के साथ गाना जैसे आप covers गाते हो या ये. So that's a transition from a cover artist to like an original artist. उसमें आपको फिर जो एक pace maintain करनी होती है या अपना जो confidence maintain करना होता है in front of an audience, that's very hard. And sometimes you get hate for like unnecessary reasons or वो भी बीच में, that's a part of that which I got to know afterwards. But yeah, I did that.
तो जब स्टेज से उतरी तो फिर आपके हाथ हिल रहे थे, आपने कहा शुक्र आज का दिन तो निकल गया.
Yeah, stage पे तो time goes by like this. Like it's a 40 minimum भी हमारा 40 minutes.
वैसे आपकी बात इतनी सही है कि it's not just performing the song, it's also कि oh I have to maintain my presence.
Yeah.
मुझे ये बात आपकी बड़ी हिट की कि वो लोग because video एक different चीज़ है ना, और सामने जब आप परफॉर्म कर रहे हो तो you have the pressure कि वो लोगों को वैसे ही फील भी आ रही
अब वो people looking at their phones and in person it's a different experience.
True.
You have to give it to them.
So when did you realize, कब आपको हिट किया कि यार मजबूर जो है वो नेशन का फेवरेट हो गया और आप भी लोग are crazy about you also.
So many shows. My last show was before Muharram. It was in Islamabad at PNCA. Like after literally 10 shows, I got to know कि अच्छा अब people actually sing it with me.
Okay.
Because it was a very intimate type. There was no lineup. It was just me. And people were there to enjoy. There was a very mini auditorium type situation. ऐसे stairs पे बैठे हुए हैं लोग. And everyone was singing it. तो after literally 10-11 shows मुझे ना थोड़ा सा realization हुई कि oh wow, we were actually singing. I was not singing. I was just like they were singing it.
सोशल मीडिया पे तो वो चल रहा था ना.
हाँ, सोशल मीडिया पे
आपको हिट किया और उस वक्त आपकी फीलिंग्स क्या थी? Did you want to be this popular ever? या बस ये तो अल्लाह की तरफ से आ गया आपके पास?
Yeah, popularity. I think you cannot imagine how it feels until you get it. अभी भी उतना नहीं है. It's just one song and one अभी एक time span चल रहा है. You need to maintain it. But yeah, it's also very different being in the limelight. Sometimes we're very conscious about some things.
True.
Okay, we're going on sets, we're going on shows backstage. क्या हो रहा है? Anyone's making videos और वो सारा कुछ. तो वो चीज़ें भी इसके साथ आती हैं. Being a female artist, fame is not very, it's not glamorized. इस तरह हमारे दिमाग में. So ये भी चीज़ है.
Reality different.
Yeah, reality is very different for like a female and male celebrity or whatever. You can.
Also फिर वो भी चीज़ private नहीं रहती ना.
Yeah.
Everything can be captured on phone.
Yeah, so people fail to differ between genders or whatever. कि आपने respect का आपका जो है ना level वो क्या है with your whoever you like get inspired from.
So you feel that for a female singer things are quite challenging in terms of performing also and generally as well. How are 2-3 things जो आप बोलना चाहेंगे? Challenges क्या होते हैं?
Again, like being on screen, you have to be very careful about your wardrobes, your way of speaking, even like talking to someone on screen. And when we are on shows, people are literally there to make videos on bloopers and all कि हम कुछ capture ऐसा कर लें जो just for the sake of views and likes. And they actually
pressure आपको feel हुआ है?
हाँ, like I actually asked my team कि please like keep an eye on the vendors and all whoever's making videos.
मुझे लगता है ये privacy की line को cross करना है
मेरे
हिसाब से honestly.
Like there's no point in recording someone.
Without your permission, nobody should be doing it.
It's like it's the same as कि I start recording someone in public. And without their permission.
बिल्कुल.
It does not give you the right to. If I'm on an event, I'm performing. Sure, you can make videos. but like backstage or sound checks and shooting वाला set उस पे इस तरह videos बनाना, you want to get comfortable but you cannot. You just like want to not talk to anyone unnecessarily, you get friendly with anyone. That gets you in a lot of trouble.
लोग समझते हैं उसका तो बड़ा एटीट्यूड है जबकि है नहीं. You're just protecting your
So getting that
boundaries.
is better than getting backlash afterwards जब आपका कोई इस तरह का scenario portray कर दे on social media and people actually get it in trend. वो फिर उसको उस साइड पे ले जाते हैं.
So ये एक चैलेंज है. दूसरा क्या है?
दूसरा it's the main thing.
Okay.
ठीक है. And दूसरा भी यही है कि being a female artist you cannot do collaborations like with just anyone. We've had some very known personalities in the industry जिनको बात करने की भी तमीज़ नहीं है.
Okay.
But they're used to working with I don't know who. So they think कि जो new generation की लड़कियां हैं वो भी शायद ऐसी ही हैं. But that's not the case. We don't really care about work. First of all, respect comes first. And how you talk to people. तो आपने उनसे बात इस तरह करनी है कि you're working with them, just maintain that space, maintain that respect within yourself. Otherwise, nothing matters. Alhamdulillah, we come from backgrounds, we don't need it. We don't, people assume, like these people I'm talking about, they assume that they need it, they need the limelight, so they'll do ye, wo, is tarah. But no, that's, you can, I think is, you know, jo chal raha hai ab time, social media hai, sab kuch hai, you just need to give a shut up call to the other person, either on camera or like directly, कि no, that's not the case. Like don't think कि we need it or that's I'm just new here.
तो मैं सब बर्दाश्त कर लूँ.
Yeah.
जब पहली बार आपको ये फील हुआ कि यार ये इतना बड़ा नाम है लेकिन इनको रिस्पेक्ट नहीं है being a female or being a new singer, temptation हुई क्या अच्छा मैं compromise कर लूँ हाँ बोल दूँ? Or you were clear? You were clear?
I was very clear. I told my team कि I don't want to work with this person and he better not call me again or like for anything, for literally anything. It can be anything.
I think ये इतनी अच्छी बात आपने की है Zoha because young girls are listening to you.
Yeah.
And I feel this is a, you know, no matter where you are at what stage in life, आपको हमेशा ये कभी-कभी face करना पड़ता है. Do you choose respect or do you choose money, fame or more opportunities? And you have to make the right choice.
Yeah.
That's for long term, short term नहीं.
Yeah.
तो अच्छा हुआ कि आपने ये बात की
That's
है.
very important, especially for again young girls nowadays. They're on Instagram and all, and they think it's the only source of income or whatever. It's not.
It's not. नहीं, and I think if you get respect, everything comes eventually. It might be a longer route. And आपकी दोनों बातों में मुझे जो पहला reason बताया, second भी दोनों में respect ही है.
Yeah.
कि you are not respecting an artist's boundary.
Exactly.
And then you are not respecting somebody as a person, as an, you know, as a female.
Yeah.
तो फिर आप आ रहे हैं. अभी जो आप यही बात करी थी बीच में आप पे बहुत critical statements भी आई थी, बहुत backlash भी आया था. As a young person, as a new artist, how did it impact you? Was it very difficult to deal with it at that time? Shocking तो होगा एक तो.
Yeah, it's something that you cannot control. That's the only bad thing
But
about
पहली बात
it.
तो ये होगी ना आपको कि क्या हो रहा है?
हाँ, सिर्फ आपको गुस्सा इसी बात पे आता है कि you cannot control it. बस उसके अलावा आपको इस तरह नहीं because you know within yourself कि your old followers, your fans and everyone who loves you, loves your voice, loves your songs, उनको पता है कि you are not this जो भी आपको portray किया जा रहा है. It's just might be a campaign against you, might be some of the haters who like pop out every now and then and try to, you know, do things. As of now, I have some people like trying to be doing such stuff. So you shouldn't really like care and get, you know, panicked about it कि मैं क्या करूँ ये वो ये हो रहा है. Just I suggest कि just don't open your Instagram for like a week and everything's fine.
It didn't take any mental health toll on you?
No.
नहीं.
I'm very strong mentally.
माशाल्लाह.
I don't really care.
Yeah.
That's a very bad thing, but
क्यों bad thing क्यों है? अच्छी बात
नहीं,
है.
it can be like portrayed as an insensitive to things, but I'm not.
I don't think so.
Yeah, I think you shouldn't like get pressured by music is very fun for me, so I don't really care.
So ये जो आपने इतना confidence है, self assurance ये कहाँ से आई है? Is it something to do with your upbringing? किसको आप credit देंगी? आपकी अपनी personality है, आप बहुत young age पे काम करना start हो गई. किस चीज़ को आप सबसे ज़्यादा इसके लिए responsible?
That was what I was just going to say कि एक तो I started working very young.
Hmm.
I was very young. I just told you it's been
Yeah.
8 years. I've been dealing with clients, and mostly my clients are women, older women or like middle aged. So अब मैं जब बहुत छोटी थी तब से मैं उनसे बात कर रही हूँ, like dealing everything. So अब वो मेरा तो वो नहीं ना mindset अब के मैंने बात किससे कैसे करनी है. अगर मुझे कुछ कह रहा है तो do I need to react? Do I need to panic or whatever, like talk back or अपनी सुनाऊँ उसकी सुनाऊँ. तो वो तो चीज़ है ही नहीं. दूसरा the second thing is कि we have a business background.
Okay.
So my father is also in business. So he always used to guide us about work life. कि you need to do this and this in your businesses. We were not encouraged to do jobs ever.
Okay.
So I had this in me कि मैंने ये काम करना है. First of all, though I was in the beauty business ना, तो ये तो चलो बीच में आ गया.
तो मुझे लगता है वो छोटे लेवल पे अल्लाह ताला ने आपकी ऑलरेडी ट्रेनिंग किया था. अल्लाह ताला कह रहे थे कि अच्छा you need to be strong, deal with people and not let these things impact you.
Exactly. वो unconsciously वो फिर
unconsciously हो रहा था.
mind फिर train हो जाता है आपका इस तरह कि you know how to talk to people at a very young age. Now I'm 24. I don't. People come in my salon and they expect some 40-50-year-old running a salon, but then I come in this situation to save the situation कि अच्छा कुछ chaotic हो रहा है. They're like, oh, you're very young. Yeah, I am.
Do they take you seriously? थोड़ा टाइम लगता है.
Now they do because mostly people who come in my salon they know me from music, so they do.
लेकिन उससे पहले लेते थे seriously.
Like sometimes some people think they're very smart, and I'm very young, and they can talk me out of a situation, but that's not the case.
Being raised by a single father.
Yeah.
How does it impact you?
I think it puts a lot of responsibility on your head. Just it can't be helped.
How does it put responsibility on your head?
Like he is away like most of the time, as we have business here in Karachi. So he lives mostly here, and we are from Lahore. So my siblings, me and my grandmother, we live together.
Achha.
So everything, the smallest thing you have to do in your house, you have to be aware of it. Girls my age, they don't know the grocery thing.
Yeah.
But I know.
आलू टमाटर के रेट पता होंगे.
मुझे सब पता. मैंने जाके यहाँ से ये करना है, ये करना और ये time.
So it made you more independent.
Yeah, it just makes you more independent in your head.
Also add an extra layer of sensitivity to you as a person because you've seen your father in a different light. अकेले वो कर रहे हैं और चीजें कर रहे हैं. Also, does it make you more appreciative of men?
Yeah,
or their challenges?
Not like all men. Like
Yeah,
I'm
but
not generalizing everyone, but like him. If we're talking about my father. Yeah, it must be now that we are sensible enough to understand. It must be very difficult for him to have like 3 kids and handling them without a wife. कि क्या करूँ अब इनका. So yeah, it's just. But we naturally ऐसा हुआ कि I think God helped him too. Okay, we got into our specific कि मैंने ये करना वो करना है. My sister and my brother too कि हमने इस चीज़ में जाना है. And I was, मैं आपको बता रही हूँ कि from very rebellious age जो मेरी होती है ना, वो मेरी आई नहीं कभी. वो मेरी आई नहीं है. तो मैं उसमें ही मैं काम कर रही थी. And I actually enjoyed my work so much कि I just skipped that part.
But guilt होता है कि
No.
Single father है तो मैं तंग नहीं करूँ उन्हें.
नहीं तंग मैं करती हूँ उनको. I do. He just calls me कि अच्छा मुझे ये बता. अब I forget things. Literally he said
अभी छोटे होते हुए की बात ज़्यादा कर रही हूँ तब.
He literally just called me and said कि मुझे बता देना तुम्हारी जो flight है. Mostly I forget. And then when I'm back in Lahore, then I tell him लेकिन I'm going to tell him अभी after the interview.
I've made her realize.
Yeah.
She should feel guilty.
नहीं. He knows कि they know their stuff. He's very calm now. Okay, they know their stuff.
इतनी चीजें मैनेज कैसे करती हैं आप?
अभी I have a very good team.
Okay.
So they manage music for me.
So tell me, what are the 2-3 things you wish Pakistan में change हो जाए, which will make things easier for girls, young girls in Pakistan to work and follow their जो अपना ambition.
I think there should be better work rules, ethics ना बड़े proper होने चाहिए. On paper होने चाहिए. Like if you even say something stupid or like unethical to a female in your
Environment.
capacity,
Okay, capacity. Huh.
then you should be like dealing
Victim.
with some serious
Okay.
stuff. That's the only that doesn't matter ना. अब क्या है होता तो खाली पाकिस्तान की बात नहीं है बाहर भी, लेकिन ठीक है, लेकिन यहाँ पे तो इट्स वेरी, अभी तो आजकल वी बिन हियरिंग सम वेरी क्रेजी न्यूज़ कि ये हो गया वो हो गया, तो आई एम जस्ट, वो चीज़ें आपको ज़्यादा डिस्टर्ब करती हैं. हमारा सोशल मीडिया इतना मैटर नहीं करता हमारे सोशल मीडिया पे क्या हो रहा है एज एन आर्टिस्ट. वो जो दूसरी चीज़ें हो रही हैं, दे आर लाइक वेरी
So
माइंड.
work ethics is one thing.
Yeah.
What are the two other things that you would think about?
Yeah, in general भी you need to like be aware of some things कि जो आप mostly आदमियों के बारे में नहीं सोचते ना, कि there are a lot of things that people don't talk about when it comes to females. कि उनको अब when we were schools and universities में जब होते थे, I was very vocal about it.
Okay.
I didn't care. So there are some things कि आपने off ले लिया है, what's the reason? There should be like proper consultation in between female teachers, faculty and female students. That's something that I used to worry about a lot. मैं तो मेरे अब I was very young, लेकिन फिर भी मेरे दिमाग में आता था कि यार how come a female teacher is just asking me that why are you not feeling okay? Why can you not attend a lecture? Like what do you want me to say? Like, you understand what I'm saying?
I understand.
So these are the things that are institutions. Again, I graduated from a very nice university. My school was not okay. I'm not going to name it. So the institutions need to understand that they want to like not control students, but actually talk to them about stuff, about maybe future में उन्होंने क्या बनना है, उसके अलावा भी उससे कुछ पूछ लें. Like emotionally you need to be attached with your student. आपने एक साल पूरा गुजारना है अपनी कितनी strength के साथ. You need to understand everyone's needs. अब I lost my mother when I was in my school. And it was so horrible. Like everyone around me says, भाई हमारा school तो बहुत मजे का था, we enjoyed it a lot. But mine was so horrible. मतलब they actually used that point against me and my sister that oh my god their mother is not around so they're like this and that.
हर चीज को उस पे blame करना.
हर चीज को ना उस पे blame करना without understanding that it must be very difficult for a 16-year-old to handle all that pressure in her house. So that's very important. I think if they ever call me, they do. If they ever call me back to school, I'm just gonna say it straight to their face. कि you need to understand कि you can't treat students like this.
But आपकी बात बिल्कुल सही है. अब आप कह रही हो तो मैं भी सोच रही हूँ कि एक फीमेल टीचर एक फीमेल स्टूडेंट से पूछ रही हो कि तुमने छुट्टी क्यों की है. Because of the natural process जो अल्लाह ताला ने आपके लिए रखा है.
Exactly. That's a very important age to just talk to them. And maybe like do it in a nicer way
and not make them so conscious and pressurized कि
exactly.
उनको feel हो उस चीज़ को. माँ बाप क्या आज भी प्रेशराइज करें लड़कियों को शादी के लिए, या अब माँ बाप चेंज हो गए? What do you see around you, your friends and
they don't pressurize, but they really want their children to get settled. Same way for their sons and same for their daughters. Just get settled.
Okay.
Like they want. I understand. अगर मेरे भी कभी बच्चे होंगे, I just want them to.
खुद इतना काम कह रही है.
मतलब dude, ठीक है. It doesn't work out for everyone.
Yeah.
But okay, if you find someone, then just don't waste time.
हाँ, if you find someone, so that's a different.
Not
thing.
like force it. Nothing is done.
नहीं जैसे वो होता है ना कि नहीं बस अब ये एज होगी तो शादी शादी शादी, वो चेंज हुआ है या वो चेंज नहीं हुआ अभी तक?
Yeah, नहीं वो तो नहीं है. Obviously, I work. I've been working for a very long time. My friends tell me कि भाई तुम तो बहुत वो you work इधर होती हो कभी उधर होती हो. You have this and you have that. You have a salon. So like what do you expect? I don't. I just want someone to understand that. That's it. But why would I explain it to someone? It's literally my life.
Yeah. Whoever comes has to accept all of these parts of your life.
And vice versa.
Yeah, exactly. Obviously. Of course. Yeah.
Not like in my own bubble कि बस मैं ही मैं हूँ या जो भी.
What is one thing that you feel guys fail to understand about girls?
The same thing that the other person works. They have a routine. They have a schedule. If they cannot do something, then they can just be relaxed about it.
Okay. But so you feel कि जो evolution लड़कियों की thought process में हुआ है, जो progression हुआ है, वो लड़कों में नहीं हुआ उस हिसाब से?
I think they want something different and they end up with something different. That's the problem. Like you need to understand what you want and what you need.
तो उनको लगता है बड़ा ग्लैमरस है कि लड़की इंडिपेंडेंट है, लेकिन जब एक्चुअल मिलती है तो वो कुछ
Yeah,
और,
she looks good. She's very independent.
उसको वो एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर पाते हैं कि भाई वो फिर
But
अपनी मर्जी की
then
चीज
they
करेगी।
want her to do like other stuff.
Yeah.
Na? So wo, you should know okay, what you're getting. Yeah, what you're going for.
So
it's very
le-
simple actually. It's not but
तो उनको
it's,
समझ क्यों नहीं आ रही है?
it's something that they ignore. I don't know why. मुझे नहीं
बट
पता.
लड़कियों में इतना चेंज हो गया है,
Yeah.
girls have become more independent,
Exactly.
more progressive, their thought process has changed a lot. Why is it not happening in the guys? Why are they not changing so quickly, or you feel
I think उनमें नीचे जा रहा है.
यार ये मुझे दो तीन
That's
लड़कियों ने ये बात बोली है.
I don't know.
Seriously, you are probably the third or the fourth
नहीं नहीं,
person
I'm
to say
not
this.
generalizing, लेकिन mostly.
No, girls do feel that men are thought process थोड़ा सा जितना हम expect करें कि evolution हो वो वैसा नहीं हो
अब
रहा.
as much as they're trying to
Woke about it.
yeah
But
अभी
they're
काम कर रही हैं या कुछ. A lot of girls are working.
Yeah.
I know a lot of friends of mine are they just working. They're married. They're working.
Yeah.
So their attitudes are not like our mothers और हमारी जो भी होती थी उनका वैसा नहीं है attitude. अब वो बनता है.
Yeah.
अब for example, if I have a friend who's like highly educated, she works in this company. Like why would she be? She has a personality change as soon as she gets into
I
her
know.
in-laws' house. She can't
Yeah.
because she knows her worth, and that's what we need to tell each other. हम literally हम एक दूसरे को बताते हैं.
क्या
लड़कियां
बताते हैं?
आपस में एक दूसरे को बताती हैं ना कि तुमने ये किया है, ये तुम्हारी वर्थ है, ये बताना पड़ता है. It's so crazy कि you have to tell it to the other person.
कि आपको अपने आप को और उनको भी रिमाइंडर
हाँ, रिमाइंडर देना पड़ता है, जबकि नहीं देना पड़ना चाहिए.
क्यों हो रहा है ऐसा? हमें क्यों लड़कियों को क्यों एक दूसरे को रिमाइंडर देना पड़ रहा है?
हालांकि
हम
when
लोग
you
इतने-
see-
नहीं हम इतनी वो क्यों है कि when you're doing something इतनी जल्दी डीरेल हो जाते हैं कि
Exactly.
दोबारा किसी दोस्त को
अब-
आके उठाना पड़ता है.
अब वो when you see a successful guy or a man, you
Oh.
don't think about this stuff ना.
You get tempted.
और कि वो और क्या क्या करता है, ये वो ये करता है या वो ये
हाँ.
you don't, you just think तो it's not the same with women. People think इस तरह से साथ दूसरी साइड पे कि अच्छा if she's successful in this part तो can she do like all the stuff. बेशक करती हो ना करती हो वो अलग बात है, लेकिन people actually do think question के बाकी है कुछ के नहीं है, which is very crazy. I don't know. मतलब मैं इतना
डबल स्टैंडर्ड्स है ना मर्दों
Double
औरतों के लिए.
standards,
नहीं आप सही कह रही हैं. यू आर राइट व्हेन आई एम थिंकिंग अबाउट इट कि हाँ लड़की से एक्सपेक्टेशंस भी आपकी डिफरेंट हैं,
Exactly.
लड़के से डिफरेंट एक्सपेक्टेशंस
Different
हैं
है.
आपके. What are few green flags in men for you?
I think they should be very calm. First of all, don't shout. And in any relationship, not
Yeah,
like
just romantic.
specifically. And second, that they hardworking होने चाहिए. It doesn't matter if you're like crazy rich or like normal or whatever.
Yeah.
You're a job person, you're a business. Just be hardworking. Everything works out. It's fine. And third one, the sense to differentiate in between relationship.
Okay.
You know, that's
Interesting.
very important.
Yeah.
In between your friends, your family, and then
The
your
person.
family that you're going to make, and then your
Yeah.
parents.
What's love for you?
When you feel like home with someone.
That's so sweet.
Yeah, that's.
Majboor girl just blushed.
No, I have makeup on.
No, you did.
Don't do this in
So do
front
you
of.
agree with these lines? इन पे भी बड़ी
आपका
discussion
कहना
हुई थी.
बनता.
इन पे भी बड़ी
Ashir
discussion
yaar
हुई थी,
wrote
right?
those lines.
Yeah, but
Everyone
as
just
a-
comes up to me and asks, "Oh my
हाँ.
God, did you write?" I'm like, "No, I
No.
did not."
Yeah, but in terms of philosophical sense or in terms of concept, do you agree with these lines? आपका ही
It's
कहना
very
बनता.
funny that half of the population, world population,
Yeah.
thinks they are meaningless. पता नहीं क्यों. I like they're very simple words.
Yeah.
They're not supposed to be very deep, very deeply thought or
I think
curated.
deeply thought तो नहीं, but एक simple सी बात है क्या लड़की को पहले हाँ कह
It's a simple conversation between
हाँ.
university students,
Yeah.
maybe out of teen, अभी वो निकले हैं, तो they're just talking. So it's a very simple कि आपका ही कहना बनता, कह दो ना.
But वो कह रही है कि मैं नहीं कहूँगी, लड़के को
Yeah.
कहना चाहिए.
Yeah,
So
you should
agree with
just
that
say
philosophy
it.
that guy should always say
Yeah.
yes, say express first. I mean.
Exactly. Like they know they have something going on.
तो यार लड़कियां इतनी इंडिपेंडेंट हो गई हैं तो वो क्यों नहीं पहले इकरार कर
They just
सकती?
want to get spoiled. That's it. But being a
नखरा उठाना है.
yeah, I think that's a female thing. That's
Okay.
just in their nature. Like
Yeah.
the other thing is in guys' nature कि वो बोल देते हैं. So sometimes when they don't, then girls get
There's a lot of discussion about, you know, feminine energy and masculine energy.
Yeah.
Do you feel you also have to struggle with your masculine energy कि मैं उसको दबा के रखूँ या कि लोग मुझे बहुत strong समझेंगे या ये ऐसा नहीं है reality में and ये सिर्फ social media की conversations हैं?
नहीं ऐसा होता है ना when you are working then you do get into your masculine energy.
You
Yeah.
do.
अब ये back ये 2-3 years back I was in my masculine energy but now I'm not since अब I used to drive a lot और ये हर जगह जा रही हूँ खुद. You know you actually start getting in front of everything you have to
Really?
do which is not the way. Now I realize that कि आपको थोड़ा सा ना रहना चाहिए अपने उस एनर्जी में रहना चाहिए या वापस आ जाना चाहिए. चलो
Feminine
हाँ
energy.
वापस आना
Why?
चाहिए
क्यों? इसमें क्या
because it's
बुराई
very
है?
important. You don't feel the same towards the other gender anymore. That's the
Okay.
thing.
It impacts that.
Yeah, it impacts
Okay.
that. You need to understand in your head कि you have to come back to that energy where you need to just sit down and
Yeah. अच्छा ये बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग बात बोली. मुझे ये नहीं
Get-
पता था कि ये होता है कि
नहीं होता
अगर
ना.
masculine energy बहुत
I
ज़्यादा
think
हो,
everyone who works can relate
How do
because
you feel differently towards the other gender? क्या होता है? Because I work also.
like then you
Trying to
start
figure-
doing things
हाँ.
that they're supposed to do in their
पर
presence.
वो तो अच्छा in their but
in
वो
their presence.
but वो इसलिए नहीं, it's by virtue of you working sometimes you have to. और दूसरी बात ये कभी-कभी आप ये भी
No.
कहते हैं भाई तुम समझ रहे हो हम नहीं कर सकते हम कर सकते हैं.
Even in your work environment, why would you like feel the need to open the door for a man? Well, that's a very typical.
Okay, not that.
Not that, ना तो
Not
with
that,
you
हाँ.
जब
नहीं,
आप
नहीं,
ज़्यादा
नहीं.
ज़्यादा करते
वो
हैं ये
चीज़ें-
चीज़ें तो आपको realize नहीं होता
वैसे ये
लेकिन आप ये
interesting
करते
है
हो.
opening a door for a man.
Yeah,
That is very interesting. Would you do that?
no,
No.
never. Now, never, never. I would never do that.
But this is very interesting. मुझे
Even though
funny
उसको
लगा.
कोई notice भी ना हो अगले बंदे को. It can be a random stranger. ठीक
नहीं,
है आप चल रहे हो
random-
किसी public
नहीं,
space
random
में
stranger पे तो-
उसमें भी I am trying to say कि you need to be in your feminine. आपको पता होना चाहिए मैंने ये काम मेरा है ही नहीं ना. Why would I do that? तो वो आपको पता होना
ये
चाहिए.
काम मेरा है ही नहीं.
Otherwise आप बहुत ढीठ हो जाते हो अपने दिमाग में.
Okay.
Then you keep doing that in front of someone that you're not supposed to do, and then they find it weird. कि overly independent है या पता नहीं इसको चाहिए ही नहीं है कुछ. Like she doesn't need anything. She's doing everything by herself.
कैसी sad बात है ना वैसे
Yeah,
कि वो
it's very-
आपकी against चला जाता है.
Very weird.
What are few things which you will never compromise in a relationship or in a marriage?
I think the points when you realize कि you are right or your stand कि आप ठीक कह रहे हो कोई बात. Just because you love the other person, you cannot completely deny the fact that you are on the right side.
Okay.
And other than that, what else? Nothing.
I don't know. You know that.
Like for me, my work is very important.
Very important.
And then the realization that if I know I'm right, cannot just do it for the sake of 10 people, 10 other people. कि मैं ठीक है मैं गलत हूँ. No, I cannot say that.
Is it easy to find love when you are this
No, it's not.
ambitious? No.
What do you mean? It's not.
It's like
Very.
because people are scared of you. Men are scared,
No, they're not
or
scared.
they cannot handle.
No, they cannot
Women.
handle.
They cannot handle
the
independent women.
thing. They think they can, but they like the looks of everything, but they don't like the inner,
The
other
reality
details,
है.
reality,
Yeah. हाँ. जिसकी true self है.
things that come with it.
Yeah.
No, everyone likes to look at a beautiful flower भी बहुत प्यारा है, तो बस उसका ख्याल भी तो रखना है ना, वरना वो खराब हो जाएगा भाई. खराब हो जाएगा, सड़ जाएगा पौधा, उसको फिर क्या करेंगे?
सही बात है.
वापस कैसे लेके आएंगे?
Yeah. चलो, we hope that the men progress soon,
Yeah.
so that we.
I think if every man focuses in a relationship or anyways focuses on their career, their work life, their baggage is not our
Yeah,
baggage,
yours.
and vice versa.
Yeah.
Everything is fine.
कोई उम्मीद नजर आ रही है या नहीं?
No, I'm not against
नहीं,
anything.
but मैं जनरली कह रही हूँ, दुनिया
हाँ,
बताई कि कोई
दुनिया
मिल
में मुझे
जाएगा
है
ऐसा.
उम्मीद है.
या नहीं अभी ऐसा
है.
कुछ.
इससे तुम गाने बना रही हो इस तरह के. आप कहीं
सीखो मेरे गानों से
हाँ,
सीखो.
गाना इतना बना दिए मैंने उसके
Yeah.
बाद.
What's your relationship with Allah? How strong is your tawakkul? ऊपर नीचे जाता रहता है, constant रहता है.
I feel like when we are very worried about something, then we get to remember. मतलब हम ये हमें याद आता है, we get a recall कि अच्छा ये करना है, which is very bad, shouldn't be the case.
It's okay,
yeah,
Allah है, Allah ताला
yeah,
से आप
but
मुश्किल में
when
बिल्कुल-
I do that, then I feel calm.
Okay.
There have been points in my life that I just, I recall it now कि तब मैंने किया था तो मुझे अच्छा लगा था.
So अभी आपका नया गाना आया है. I saw a teaser
Yeah.
on. What is it about?
It's also a very fun song. There's a qawwali part in it,
Okay.
and the artist that I'm collaborating with, very nice voice. I just love his voice.
Okay.
Very young, and we made a very fun video. I had a little choreography in the video too. It's a serious It's not a serious conversation. It's like कि लड़का उसको मना रहा है किसी बात पे कि कि अच्छा चलो जो भी हो गया, let's just leave it and now
Move
get
on.
back together.
Yeah. Okay.
And the girl is अभी थोड़ा सा वो कर रही है, resist कर रही है. So the song is about that, and at the end they get together.
मजबूर कैसा आया था आपके पास? Tell us the story of मजबूर.
Majboor, so Shiryar sent me a demo, and it was my AI on the audio,
Okay.
like not my voice, but like the AI version. So I really liked it. मैंने इधर ही सुना था, कराची में थी मैं, तो I got the file और मैंने सुना गाड़ी में मैं सुन रही थी. I like to listen to things in my car ताकि वो ज़रा ambience उसका अच्छा सुनाई देता है. तो I really liked it. I was like, let's do it. और हमने बड़ा जल्दी किया ये project. It was not lagged, बिल्कुल भी उसमें hurdle कोई भी नहीं आया. And then the video day comes और video बहुत अच्छी उसकी shoot हुई है. Everyone just loves the video.
I know, I love the video.
It's so
also,
cute, very dreamy.
Very Gen Z. No?
Yeah, very Gen Z. उससे ज़्यादा लोगों ने video से connect भी किया ना उसको कि वो क्या हो रहा है उसमें video
Short सी
में.
but cute है.
हाँ.
You know.
So it was done in a library, an actual library, and it was very fun. बहुत उसका अच्छा था. सारा process बड़ा smooth था. यार हमने उसके बाद उसकी जो pre और post में हमने जितना भी content है उसमें बहुत मजा आया था. हाँ, उसमें बहुत मजा आया था. हमें पता था
ही काफी कुछ create किया उसमें.
हाँ, मतलब गाना ऐसा ही था कि we knew कि it's gonna do good. It's not a chance या risk कि कोई सुनेगा तो वो कहेगा
so you
ये
knew
क्या
कि
है.
अच्छा जाएगा.
हाँ, I always knew that.
But not कि this crazy.
हाँ, this crazy नहीं, like internationally blowing up वो बांग्लादेश और इंडिया में वो नहीं हमने expect किया था, लेकिन वो भी हो गया.
हाँ.
Yeah.
Okay. ठीक है. So अभी future के क्या plans हैं? गानों पे मैं अभी 2 collaborations तो आपकी आ रही है. एक आज आ रही है और एक और you're working on.
Yeah.
Right?
एक I've been doing a song of my own.
Okay. आपका solo.
Yeah, my solo.
Okay.
I wrote it and I composed it, and it's gonna come out really soon. We're just working on it. और भी हमने काफी कुछ line up करके रखा हुआ है. So we're just gonna make a timeline, and it's amazing stuff. Amazing collaborations. मैं solos पे भी बहुत काम कर रही हूँ because I really want like do my own thing.
Of course. अब तो वो पता चल गया ना.
Exactly.
अब तो मजा आ रहा होगा.
Some of them have videos, some are just audios.
So you're pretty busy.
Yeah, we've been busy with recordings and
और एक दो projects का मुझे बताया off camera, mention नहीं कर सकते. Something really big is coming. I'm excited about it.
Yeah, something really amazing.
I think that will be a surprise for everyone also.
Yeah, we're just looking at it in like coming 2 months. उसमें it's gonna be huge.
I wish we could have talked about it, but we can't. So आप हमारे लिए क्या गा रही हैं? मजबूर की 2 lines तो गाएंगी. फिर उसके अलावा कुछ मुझे सुनाएं.
चलो मजबूर तो सुनाऊँ ना मैं पहले आपको, उसके बाद देखते हैं. Since my throat just got okay. कल भी I had cold drinks on set.
हम थोड़ा ज़्यादा नहीं गवाएंगे थोड़ा.
आपका ही कहना बनता, कह दो ना, मैं शर्मा के कह दूंगी, मैंने भी कर दिया, आँखों का मसला, अच्छा था अब ले जाओ अपना बना के मुझे मेरी जान.
So nice.
Yeah.
It's so nice. मुझे sorry मैं fangirling कर रही हूँ.
No, it's fine.
You're sitting in front of me and singing this song. I love it. Because we went crazy all of us. अच्छा मैं एक बात बताऊँ, मैंने भी feel किया है that you know it's big but you're keeping yourself very modest. Because मैं उसी वक्त बात करने वाली थी ना, कोई और बात start होगी, it slipped from my mind. But like मजबूर is मजे का है, हम
मजे
सबने
का
बड़ा
है।
एंजॉय किया
I
उसको।
think it's the kind of song कि अगर आप
Yeah.
थोड़े से बाद भी सुनोगे ना, you just
Yeah, I know.
it's very short also.
Yeah,
लोगों ने
and
बड़ी
it's not your typical Ghana.
Yeah.
It's a different beat to it.
Indians ने इसके साथ इस तरह connect किया था कि इसकी जो मेरे part वाली जो melody है ना, it's very Indian classical
Yeah.
थोड़ी सी वजह उसमें हरकतें हैं कुछ very short तो उन्होंने इतने remix बनाए
I
उसके
know.
अपने
जवाब
cinematic
भी आया है उसका तो।
जवाब आए हुए हैं अपने वर्सेस और इंस्ट्रूमेंटल वर्जन
Yeah.
वो कुछ इतने अच्छे थे कि मैंने उनको सेव किया हुआ लिटरली
Yeah.
कि वो किसी ने वायलिन में किया किसी ने पियानो में किया हुआ है
नहीं, I think आपकी और शहरियार की कॉम्बिनेशन भी बहुत
Yeah.
अच्छी थी, परफेक्ट थी. You guys are complementing each other.
Exactly.
That's very important. Even in the video also. So
Yeah,
it
yeah.
all went well. अच्छा, और क्या सुना रही हैं? कोई गजल, कुछ क्लासिक?
So I can sing the ghazal that I sing
बिल्कुल.
that I sang on Alhambra वाली जो आप हम बात कर रहे थे. So this is a very difficult one and my sir उस टाइम पे मेरे सर मुझे कहते थे ये बहुत मुश्किल है, तुम्हें पता है ये बहुत मुश्किल है ये वो, और तुम अच्छा गाती हो इसलिए मैं तुम्हें कह रहा हूँ कि तुमने परफॉर्म करा. I was like okay and now I realized that it's actually difficult. So it's called रात फैली है and the lyrics are very hard to understand but I hope the audience gets it. बेवफाओं से वफा करके गुजारी है हया, बेवफाओं से वफा करके गुजारी है हया, नी बरसता रहा वीराने पे बादल की तरह, रात फैली है तेरे सुरमई आंचल की तरह, चांद निकला है तुझे ढूंढने पागल की तरह, रात फैली है.
Very nice.
Yeah. Very sad but yeah.
No, I love the lyrics and you sing very effortlessly.
Yeah, this is what I
Yeah.
grew up listening. So
मुझे
I have
बड़ा-
a good
हाँ.
grip on this and I actually find it difficult to sing songs like Majboor. अभी तो I've gotten hang of it लेकिन शुरू में ना when I used to go in recordings they were like you need to sing it like simple, chill, relax. Don't put like too much.
Too
अब
much
the classical
yeah.
में होता है ना you need
Yeah.
to focus on the expression a lot
Yeah, true.
and then the sur. But whatever rags going on, I don't know anything about rags, but yeah. So for these songs, like the ones we do now, they need to be very relaxed, just
Very
talking,
chill, yeah.
you know, random conversational.
True.
So that's
अच्छा,
very
और
difficult.
क्या सुना रही?
But
इतनी नहीं, मुझे सुनना एक और.
आप एक और सुना.
I love you. I
my
love your
God.
voice. नहीं, मुझे अपनी जॉब का ना सबसे अच्छा पार्ट ये लगता है.
गाने सुना.
I know. मैं अब एक्चुअली मतलब सबको ना अनप्लग सुनती रहूँ. मुझे and we do unplug sessions.
Yeah,
They
एक तो I
do
don't
so
play
well.
any instrument, so everywhere I like इस तरह की कोई conversation में कहती चलो मैं ऐसे ही सुना देती हूँ. अब तो मैं ठीक हो गई हूँ, मैं ऐसे ही सुना देती हूँ.
अच्छी बात है.
पहले बंदा कहते थे कि नहीं म्यूजिक नहीं है, ये नहीं है, गिटार्स नहीं है.
नहीं जाने देना.
हाँ, वो फिर ऐसे ही है. अच्छा, there is another very famous ghazal singer Pakistan India में साद गुलाम अली खान.
Okay.
उनकी मैंने बहुत सुनी है गज़लें. So in my thesis I literally like got it on it. Thesis में बच्चे कुछ और सुन रहे होते हैं, मैं गज़लें सुन रही होती थी. So I had it in my earphones all the time. उसमें मैंने 3-4 याद की and they were so difficult. I don't think I can ever learn them by like sur by sur. लेकिन yeah, just try. There is this one called हमको किसके गम ने मारा. It's a very fun ghazal. Like it has a fun music.
Fun ghazal.
Yeah, fun ghazal. I got to know कि ghazals can be fun too and very sarcastic, very तंजिया कि हाँ तुमने ये किया.
तंजिया और वो तो है fun. अब मैं सुनती हूँ कैसे.
Fun ghazal. हमको किसके गम ने मारा, हमको किसके गम ने मारा, ये कहानी फिर सही, किसने तोड़ा दिल हमारा, किसने तोड़ा दिल हमारा, ये कहानी फिर सही, हमको किसके गम ने मारा, ये कहानी फिर सही। क्या बताएं प्यार की बाजी, वफा की राह में, क्या बताएं प्यार की बाजी, वफा की राह में, कौन जीता कौन हारा, ये कहानी फिर सही, हमको किसके गम ने मारा, हमको किसके गम ने मारा, ये कहानी फिर सही।
Nice.
See,
और तो
sorry.
मैंने दोनों नहीं सुनी, but I
It's a
enjoyed
very
listening
fun
to,
ghazal. It has very fun
हाँ.
lyrics in between.
Yeah.
काफी लंबी लंबी होती
Now
है.
I know what you mean by fun.
Yeah,
Fun
it was
ghazal.
very
हाँ.
चंचल type सी उसकी vibe है.
Yeah. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank
Doha.
you.
It was a
Thank you,
lovely
Rabia.
conversation. And बड़ा मज़ा आया आपसे बात करके. And
Same.
we hope that हम जल्दी जल्दी आपके और गाने सुनते रहेंगे और कुछ
Inshallah.
ऐसा ही गज़ल टाइप भी सुनेंगे बहुत जल्द आपसे.
Yeah, I've been making something that
Okay.
resonates with this genre.
Yeah.
So yeah, you'll listen
So
to it.
that would be really nice. And super excited about your upcoming projects.
Thank you so much. You'll love it. Inshallah, everyone's going to love it.
इंशाल्लाह अल्लाह ताला आपको बहुत कामयाबी अता फरमाए. आप अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिएगा.
Thank
We
you.
wish you
Ji.
all
Thank
the
you.
best.
Thank you for having
Take
me.
care and
Thank you.
Allah Hafiz.